Hello and welcome to Advanced Cabinetry's brand new showroom. The contemporary shaker kitchen is well known for its bold standalone range hood. It's a style that lends itself beautifully to coastal, Hampton or modern homes. Here it begins with a waterfall bench top in pure white, contrasting with the deep colour tones of the doors and drawers. This sophisticated style is further enhanced by a full-height quartz splashback, integrated appliances and of course that spectacular range hood. With beauty comes function, with handleless soft close drawers, servo drive automatic bin drawers, plus a Allegra box space tower, the best option available for capacity and ease of use. To experience the quality of these new kitchens and cabinets for yourself, visit the Advanced Cabinetry showroom at 134 Fussell Street, Ballarat.